Hello, I'm wbz-tv meteorologist Barry Burbank, and I've got your forecast for this afternoon and for the next several days. What we have coming up for the main attractions here is the wet, windy, and warming weather coming up for Tuesday night, and then falling temperatures on Wednesday. So the warmest part of Tuesday will be Tuesday evening. The warmest part of Wednesday will be near or just before dawn when it's well into the 50s. After that, falling temperatures. And it will be turning much colder later this week, and especially this upcoming weekend and the week after. We're going into a very cold stretch here, and it could be long-lasting with the temperatures hardly getting up to freezing, hardly getting up to 32. In addition to that, there are going to be several storm threats. Whether we get a lot of them or hardly any of them depends on exactly how the jet stream evolves, but I'll show you that in just a minute. I think there will be some snow flurries here Friday afternoon and again Saturday afternoon. Whether that evolves into a accumulating snow event for Saturday night and Sunday remains to be seen, but the potential is there at this point. As the jet stream starts shifting, we're going to see a lot of amplitude take place here in the eastern part of the nation. As that continues to dig in here, it's going to allow the cold air just drain right out of the Arctic and the North Pole towards the eastern part of the United States. And in addition, in this jet stream pattern, there'll be several disturbances embedded, and each one of those capable of producing wave disturbances or full-blown storms, which could be affecting us over the next several days, starting late this week and especially into next week. So it's impossible to determine the timing on that at this point, but let's just say the potential is there for several snow events, whether any of them be close to us or several offshore. Whatever happens, it looks like I want you to be prepared and be ready for old man winter to really be getting in here right late this week. So would you like to enter our snowfall contest? We've been doing this for several years here at WBZ. If you want to enter the contest, go to cbsboston.com/contest for information on how to do so, and you guess the amount of snow which will fall in Boston through the end of April. The official amount taken near Logan Airport. And if you are closest to the 1/10 of an inch of that snowfall amount, then you win a pass to Wachusett Mountain for the next ski season 2018 and 2019. The more immediate future is the full cold moon, which we're having today. It's called a supermoon because its proximity to our planet, and it makes its closest approach to Earth early tomorrow morning at 3:45. Now, it looks like it'll be rising at 4:42 this afternoon, but it looks like we're going to have a lot of leftover cloudness at that time, so we may not see that beautiful moon rising. But hopefully during the evening when the cloudness starts thinning out and moving out, we may see a lot more brighter moonshine during the night. It's only 222,000 miles away from Earth at its closest approach tomorrow morning, and because of its close proximity, it's increasing the gravitational force and increasing the tides. The tides are extra low and also extra high. So these tidal ranges are really big over the next several days. And we're, of course, most concerned about the high tides, and they're running into flood stage to cause minor flooding of some of the usual low-lying shore roads and a lot of the marshy areas, things like that. Marcy Boulevard typically gets flooded out, so some of that will be closed for the next few days. And that's midday high tide. So the highest tides occur tomorrow and Tuesday and slowly decrease after that. So we'll keep you posted, but we're most thankful that we don't have any strong onshore winds with any particular storm right now to enhance those tides and make things a lot worse. This afternoon, a lot of cloudiness in the middle 40s. Much of the nation is really on the mild side today. The cold air is just waiting in the wings up here in Canada. And look what changes tomorrow. It starts plunging into the northern Rockies as the mild air gets tilted the other way. Chicago goes up to 62. So this warm air is going to be heading our way, and we'll feel it for a few hours late Tuesday, Tuesday night, and early Wednesday. The storm is way out here now, but it's just about ready to get its act together and start energizing and start really intensifying to become a powerful storm out there. For us, we get maybe nothing more than an isolated sprinkle this afternoon. With all the cloud cover around, doesn't look like much support for much precipitation. This model is not really indicating that it's going to clear out much tonight. If that's the case, we won't see the moon. In any event, it looks like it dries out tomorrow, so we see a lot more in the way of sunshine for your Monday as temperatures go to the upper 40s. There goes the storm, intensifying off to the north and west of us into a powerful storm in central Canada. Pulls the warm air our way with the rain for a few hours. Could be heavy briefly Tuesday night. Early Wednesday morning, the rain moves out to sea, and then that's the end of that. And we end up getting some clearing during Wednesday afternoon. And we'll have some sunshine on Thursday, as you can see. But I want to tell you that early Wednesday morning, that'll be mild, and breezy and wet, and then it turns drier and colder during the day, so the afternoon temperatures in the 40s on Wednesday. There you go with the snow showers on Friday. Some more may develop on Saturday, and whether that develops into accumulating plowable amounts of snow on Sunday remains to be seen. Just don't know. Not confident yet to make a call on that just yet. We'll be watching it closely. You can watch WBZ News tonight at 6:30 and 11 o'clock. You can also see that WBZ News on My TV 38 at 8 o'clock for the latest news and weather updates. Have a great day.